Installing the Oven and Appliance Safety Lock is easy. Clean and dry the appliance surface thoroughly. Before attaching, align the two arrows on the back. Remove the adhesive backing and press the lock firmly onto the surface. Allow 72 hours for the bond to strengthen. To unlock, simply squeeze the sides of the lock and rotate it 90 degrees to the left or right. Your appliance is now secured for your child's safety. This versatile lock has many uses. In addition to securing ovens and appliances, it can also be used on doors for added safety and protection.